Yo, what's up, team? Hope you all having a great time. It's Raphael back at the charts again. I hope you all had a great start in the week. Yesterday for me was great. I took 3 trades. I was trading DAX and Bitcoin and gold. One trade was great. Gold was a great trade. The rest was not that good. DAX was break even, and Bitcoin I took a loss of 0.6%. I ended the day with around 95,000. Yeah, I don't know why I was selling. Look, I was selling Bitcoin yesterday because I thought it will get back to the origin of that big move. I don't know, maybe you heard that Elon Musk was buying Bitcoins for $1.5 billion. So this was this push, and yeah, I was selling as soon as I saw that. As soon as I saw like this channel over here and the breakout, and then when it came down I was selling. But after that Bitcoin was continued to move up and stopped me out around in this area somewhere over here, I think. Yeah, I got stopped out and took that loss, which was, yeah, it was alright. Money management was on point, so not a big deal. Made a great return on gold. I took that gold trade because, let me show you, we have this on the 4-hour chart. Like, we had this significant level over here. You see that? Price was bouncing strong, and then when it broke through it, it came back to it, and then we had a small reaction. And this was this reaction around that key level was what I was using to make that good trade yesterday on gold, because we don't need that huge moves to make significant amounts of money on the smaller time frames, you know. So all I was doing was I was searching for that reversal sign, you know. Like, look over here, we have this push, and then it looks like the structure is broken, you know. Like over here I was starting to sell. I put my stop above here, and when it came back I was scaling in again. So I took a 0.5% risk over here, and then I was scaling in some more over here with a tight stop. Then I was waiting for the drop until that level over here, because here, this is the first obstacle in my eyes. You see that? This is the first obstacle, and this was my first target. So here I was banking around 75% of my position, and yeah, I was letting a rest run, and I was trying to aim for lower targets, but I was closing before the session ends, somewhere around in this area. I was closing here because I didn't want it to hold it overnight, you know. So I was closing, made a good profit yesterday. Yeah, and DAX, let me show you DAX. I was trading DAX as well. I was thinking like, come on, let's trade DAX after the gap is closed. Let's buy this thing. So as soon as it started to take off, I was buying some more. Then I was letting it run, but it turned around against me. I was taking some profits over here because this was for me the first target. When I was buying over here and over here, this was the first target for me. I was taking some profits off the table and moved my stop into profit. Then the market turned around against me, stopped me out. Then later on I was thinking like, maybe this is just a stop hunt move, you know. So I was trying to get in again after I got stopped out, but the market was kicking me out again. I was on small risks, so not a big deal. I was going out on DAX with a break even, and now it looks like it wants to drop some more. If we check the 4-hour chart, like we just had that new high, and now it starts to make this bearish structure. So it could probably be a great sell this week. Let's see, maybe we can get a nice entry around in this area over here when it comes back, and then we're gonna sell. Let's see. What else do we have? GBP JPY is starting to make a bearish structure as well. Maybe we can get a reversal. Like this could be the first target somewhere in this area. This could be the next target. Yeah, just if you want to trade this one, got an eye on this one. And GBP USD could turn around as well. Let's see. Check the smaller time frames, look out for reversal patterns, and then yeah, you can trade this thing. On gold for this week, yeah, I would wait for a reversal as well because it looks bearish to me. But I know gold, man, it can just move straight up, you know. But if I can get a reversal pattern, I will take it. Let's see. Maybe it will come back to this level over here. Or if we can see a reversal around in this area right here, because for all the sellers who are participating in a longer sell position, they got their stops here, and they are probably getting fucked right now. And maybe we can see the seller stepping into the game after that little stop hunt over here. Maybe we can get a reversal over here. Let's see, guys. Got your eyes on the charts, and I wish you a great trading week, and I will keep you updated what's going on. And if you're not in the free Telegram chat yet, make sure to check it out. I'm going to send some analysis and stuff like that in there. So yeah, let's get it. Have a great day. Peace out. What you know.